Okay guys, I think I finally got it figured out.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
Okay, in case y'all didn't know, Procreate just released an animation app called Procreate Dreams. First off, what the heck kind of name is Procreate Dreams? Sounds like some sort of support group for infertile people. And what is this logo, man? It's like they just rotated the Procreate logo and made it fat. Anyway, I'm gonna try it out for y'all and see if the 20 bucks are worth it. Okay, this is the homepage. Wow, it looks exactly like Procreate. Except every file name is called Dream. Oh my gosh, he haunts me everywhere I go. But before we get to trying it out, just a quick shout out to Kooleen, our sponsor for today. Kooleen is perfect for artists like you who are interested in not being broke, and I'll tell you why. Think of it like the Walmart of graphic design. They've got everything from logos to posters to even clothes. My favorite is their mock-up editor. Like if you want to sell stickers or sell your posters or even hoodies and t-shirts, this is a great way to make your art presentable. All you really gotta do is scale your image, and there you have it. Isn't that the epitome of elegance? Kooleen is also really cool for brand designs. For example, I'm literally just using a template right now. You can fully customize this, by the way, like even the text. Personally, the text was the coolest stuff. You can do all sorts of effects, which is cool. Now, they have a lot of different templates for all your needs, and they have a logo generator, which is great to use for inspiration for your business, or you can use it as is and just tweak it to however you like. They also have a lot of stock elements and stock photos. Kooleen is gonna be a huge help in designing stuff like art commission sheets. Guys, if your art commission sheets look like this, stop doing it. Instead, use one of their Y2K logos and customize it for your own brand. I basically just replaced it into my name and then pasted it on my canvas. Then I decided to change the font and overall style, so this still looks boring, and that is where the AI background remover comes to play. So I removed the background of my furry drawing and put it right here. And will you look at that? This looks way more presentable and eye-catching thanks to Kooleen. So you can try Kooleen today for free. Just go to the link in my description. Thank you, Kooleen, for sponsoring this segment. Now let's proceed to the video. Anyway, they have different presets for all your needs. Let's just choose screen size real quick. Alright, so here's our workspace over here. Personally, the workspace is a bit too small for me, but it's the personality that counts. Anyway, I watched a quick tutorial about this. Here's all you gotta know. This is the stage where you do silly animations. These are the tracks, which is basically like layers in Procreate. Just use 3 fingers to make it fat or make it tall. Also, you can add more tracks over here. Anyway, let's get started. Just click this doodle thingy, which opens up the drawing tools. Anyway, I'm gonna try to animate a bouncing ball. Ah yes, very predictable. So here I am struggling to draw a ball. Now let's just click the plus icon to make a new frame. And yeah, let's just draw a couple more. Are you even an artist if you don't draw balls? Okay, that should be enough. Now let's play it. Oh, guys, I think I'm ready to become a mappa animator. So apparently, if you drag this thing down here, oh, it became a flip book. Alright, now we can look back on our crappy doodle. Also, if you click on this time thingy and then click show onion skin, bam, it's gonna preview the other frames, aka the onion skins. Anyway, now let's do it over again. At this time, I'm using the onion skin for a smoother animation. And honestly, guys, this is so embarrassing, because why do my circles look like that? If anyone ever compliments me by saying, I can't even draw a circle, I'm just gonna show them this video. Anyway, I don't know why I made a circle like this. I have no background in animation, so if you think you're gonna get anything valuable from watching this video, think again. Alright, we're done. Let's just play it real quick. Ooh, I mean, it's not that good, but when you compare it to the first attempt, this looks like the Mona Lisa. Now, apparently, Procreate Dreams can also capture your movements like so. I think you need an Apple Pencil for this though. That's so anti-brokey. Let me show you real quick how to do this. First, let's draw a little meowie. Just click this button and yeah. Then click move and scale. This makes you move your drawing anywhere. Also, there's also the warp, which lets you warp your drawing, and there's the distort, which lets you distort. Big brain explanation. Then we're gonna like do this with our Apple Pencil. So as you can see, nothing happened. Like it didn't get animated. So what you're gonna do is click this button, the record button, and do the same thing as we did a while ago. What that does is record your movement. So when we play it back again, bam. Wow, looks exactly like a 12-year-old's animation. Anyway, I also tested out the feature on this Saitama drawing, and I did the same thing. All I did was rotate his arm like this, and boom, it worked. it? Well, kinda. Listen, we're a little low on budget over here. Anyway, I'm gonna try it on my art. So I'm thinking of drawing Kafka. Oh no, not that Kafka. The mommy Kafka. So I'm on Procreate right now, sketching her out. Let's just doodle her, you know, focus on the big picture before anything else. I'm gonna draw this hand to make it more lively. Ironically, she's smoking. Alright, now we have this. So this is what we need to do. I'm gonna draw a bald head. Alright, so let's just copy and paste her face. I ain't drawing that again. So now that we have yassified Vin Diesel over here, let's just draw the clothes on a separate layer. Then for the hair, I don't have the energy for the details, so this is just gonna have to do. Alright, let's just color the skin real quick. Almost forgot that her eyes are purple. Goodbye a black iris. Let's just add a pupil real quick, then add the highlights. Copy paste for good luck. So I just remembered that we actually made her bald. Bam. Anyway, let's fill in her bald head. Okay guys, the reason why she's bald is that we're gonna be animating the hair later. So we want them to be in separate layers in case her wig accidentally comes off. So anyway, let's do the rest of the clothes real quick. Anyway, for the hair, I'm gonna do the back part first. So let me just color this real quick. Alright, now she looks like a founding father. So on another layer, let's do the front part. We're gonna be animating the hair separately. It's way easier to animate the hair separately, okay? Thank me later. Right. For the shading, it's gonna be simple. Just do these dark strokes like so. Then let's just erase and shape it. Okay. Now for the highlights, we're just gonna repeat the same thing, okay? Except it's way up here. And then you can just add small lines like so. Alright. Just rinse and repeat, baby. Okay, for the hand, I'm just doing it on a completely separate canvas because I suck at drawing hands, as always. I'm basically just copying her hand from the official art. And honestly, I should have just traced it because why is drawing the hand taking so long, man? Anyway, this is good enough. Let's drag and drop it onto our canvas and then just use the curves tool to bring some color. Alright, Picasso. I added a little cigarette and we are finally done. Now, what I'm gonna do is drag and drop this onto Procreate Dreams. So first, let's click this and then click work. Okay. Now we're gonna click the record button and click play. And then we're just gonna move the bangs in like this circular motion. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. So this is what it looks like on the screen itself. Bro, why did the hair turn into jello? Honestly guys, it looks like a VTuber model that was made by a very noob artist, aka me. Okay, what the heck is happening to her hair? Oh my gosh, her bald spot is showing. Okay, so anyway, let's do the backside of the hair. I'm literally just gonna repeat the same process. Okay, she's a little bald, but she's got a spirit. Wait, let me put this under the neck. Oh, what the? Bro, that is a huge bald spot. That's not Kafka anymore. That's just my uncle. Okay, next is the face. I don't really know what type of animation I'm gonna do for her face. I'm really just trusting my gut right now. What the heck am I doing? This looks like a PowerPoint transition effect. Okay, let's not trust my gut anymore. Okay guys. I think I finally got it figured out. Well, it seems like MAPPA has a new competitor. So yeah, anyway, I decided not to document what I had to go through, so here's just a sped up version of me attempting to make a not so crappy animation. And it failed, but I'm gonna show it to you anyway. Presenting my very rushed and crappy animation. Drum roll please. Yeah, sorry for the choice of music. It was the only copyright-free music I could find. And yes, I know the wink was very wonky, but I don't really care. I just want to sleep. Okay guys, here's my overall rating. Listen, I don't animate at all, and I've barely tried other animation apps, so take my words with a grain of salt, okay? My opinion is that it's okay. I mean, the main selling point of Procreate Dreams is Procreate itself. Like, you can seamlessly import Procreate layers into it. And me personally, that's enough for me. Like, if I were a professional who mainly works in Procreate, I would definitely get it. Bro, you don't understand. It's a bargain for 20 bucks. And one-time payment too. That's like one Starbucks drink in America. But it lacks a hell of a lot of basic features. But you know what guys, it only dropped like a week ago, so who knows? They'll probably add updates. Anyway, overall it's like a 7 out of 10. That's just my 2 cents. So yeah, thank you again Kittle for sponsoring this video. Watch this next and I'll see you there. Stay cool.